Welcome to SL by English. I am Smulata, GM's High School, Arpepeta. If you like my videos, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Okay. Today I would like to tell you about phrasal verbs, synonyms, antonyms that are present in first lesson. Attitude is altitude. Okay. Phrasal verb is a verb that is made up of a main verb together with an adverb or a preposition or both to create completely new meaning. A phrasal verb is a verb that is made up of a main verb together with an adverb or a preposition or both to create a complete new meaning. Okay. Synonym means similar meaning. Antonym means opposite. Okay. Synonyms for scratched, grazed, scraped, scuffed. Okay. Related to scratched, skinned, clawed, cut. Antonyms for scratched, polished, smoothed, softened, waxed. Okay. Synonyms for enable, allow, empower, let, permit. Antonyms for enable, inhibit, preclude, disallow, enjoin, forbid, prohibit. Okay. Synonyms for enable, allow, empower, let, permit. Antonyms for enable, inhibit, preclude, disallow, enjoin, forbid, prohibit. Okay. Stretch. Antonyms short, contract, shrink. Synonyms unfold, pervert, elongate, adulterate, demoralize, deprave. Allow. Antonyms hinder, impede, obstruct, censor, deny, disallow, disapprove, refuse, reject, revoke, suppress, withhold. Okay. Synonyms for allow, have, permit, suffer. Related to allow, authorize, commission, license. Okay. Wrap. Synonyms wind, fold, muffle, cover, involve, enfold, envelope, encumber. Antonyms unwind, unfold, develop, unwrap, eliminate. Antonyms for help, block, constrain, hamper, handicap, impede, inhibit, obstruct, restrain, strangle, frustrate. Synonyms for help, assist, back, backstop, support, advance, ease, facilitate, forward, foster, further. Okay. Attend, care, comfort, etc. Synonyms for help, assist, back, backstop, support, advance, ease, facilitate, forward, foster, further. Okay. Attend, care, comfort, etc. Trust. Antonyms unconcern, disconnection, disadvantage, loss, inattention, incuriosity, indifference. Synonyms concern, profit, attention, cause, share. Okay. Synonyms, antonyms and also phrasal verbs are there in your 10th class exams. Okay. Synonyms for adversity, ill, knock, misadventure, mischance, misfortune, mishap, tragedy. Related to adversity, synonyms: calamity, disaster, trial, distress, misery, suffering. Antonyms for bully: bully, make happy, please, relieve, boost, aid, delight, help, allow. Okay. Synonyms for help: assist, back, backstop, support. Advance, ease, facilitate, forward, foster, further. Okay. Attend, care, comfort, etc. Synonyms for bully: terrorize, persecute, intimidate, push around. Okay. Antonyms for adversity: break, chance, fluke, hit, opportunity, strike, stroke, windfall, achievement, success, accomplishment. Okay. Antonyms for hold: drop, give, deliver, give up, hand out, hand over, release. Okay. Antonyms for realize: miss, overlook, disregard, ignore, forget, unlearn. Okay. Synonyms to hold: bear, carry, bag, capture, catch, collar, grab, hook, land, nail, seize, snap, snare, snatch, take, trap, feel, finger, grasp. Synonyms of realize: calculate, figure out, find, puzzle, discern, mind, note, observe, perceive, divine, detect, spot, encounter. Is picked up. Okay. Similar meaning: improve. Answer, second meaning: answer a telephone call, pick up. Example: let the machine pick up and return the call later. Phrasal verb of keep: continue to do something, keep on. Continue to do something, he kept on moving. Example: he kept on moving. Similar meaning: continue, go on. Okay. Look at word forms: present tense, I, you. After I, you, we, they, look at. After he, she, it, looks at. Present participle, looking at. Past tense, looked at. Past participle, looked at. Meanings: move eyes to see something or someone. Think about something carefully. Read something. Okay. Phrasal verb: take away. If you take something away from someone, you remove it from them so that they no longer possess it or have it with them. They are going to take my example. They are going to take my citizenship away. Freak out: if someone freaks out, they get very scared or upset by something. Phrasal verb: concentrate on something. To spend more time doing one particular thing than others. To spend more time doing one particular thing than others. Example: a nurse attended to his needs constantly. For examples: we still have a number of other matters to attend to. He likes work that requires him to attend to a lot of detail. Please take a seat and I will ask someone to attend to you. Go over: present tense after I, you, we, they, go over. After he, she, third person, goes over, present participle of go over, going over, past tense, went over, past participle, gone over. Okay? Meanings: check something, practice something, move towards someone or something, how people react, clean something. These are all the meanings of go over. Okay. Travel over, meaning to move or journey from one side of something to the other. To move or journey from one side of something to the other. Example: we will need to travel over the desert in order to reach the village. I travel over this bridge every day as part of my commute. Okay. Take over, to begin to do something that someone else was doing. Example: to begin to do something that someone else was doing. Example: can you take over the cooking while I walk the dog? Okay. Take over, present tense. After I, you, we, they, take over. After he, she, it, takes over. Present participle, taking over. Past tense, took over. Past participle, taken over. Okay. Take some verbs, write as this. Then you will get practice. Phrasal verb: put on. When people put on a show or exhibition or service, they perform it or organize it. The meaning for phrasal verb put on: when you put on clothing or makeup, you place it on your body in order to wear it. She puts on her coat and went out. Okay. Phrasal verb: fall in. Fall in with somebody or something. No passive. To agree to something. To agree to something. Example: she fell in with my idea at once. Fell in love with him. Phrasal verb: share in. If you share in something such as success or a responsibility, you are one of a number of people who achieve or accept it. Example: the company is offering you the chance to share in its success. Everybody shares in the cooking chores. Biting off: to separate something from main part by biting. Example: I bit off a chunk of chocolates. Synonyms are related words: to separate something from something else. Phrasal verb: biting off. To separate something from the main part by biting. Example: I bit off a chunk of chocolate. Listen to them once or twice, then you can learn easily. Okay. Today it is enough. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.